No, I'm getting two
We're
big
in the
ones.
pumpkin baby.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, because the small white one is the baby.
It's like we made it. Like I said, we like one throw.
Hey, we did.
Should we get a wagon?
Yeah, we should.
Can I ride?
Get the wag.
No, no riders.
Damn it.
Who's pushing you, Nick?
Wagon. We outside. Pumpkin gang. Hashtag pumpkin gang. In here. Pumpkin gang. Nah, that's alright. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Fuck. My son out here driving the wagon. Okay.
I want to ride the
Outside
wagon.
the sunflowers. We outside, baby. Sunflowers.
Dying laughing.
It's just the fact they said we outside.
We outside with the sunflowers. It's beautiful, baby. Beautiful day.
It's hot out here, boy.
Why are my fingers stinging?
Look at this beautiful sunflower. Woo, beautiful, baby. Look, this one didn't grow yet. This one really didn't grow.
Well, this one I already had cut from a few days ago, but I have like a new sting.
We should
Okay.
get to it. Oh, yeah.
All right. So what do you guys?
So the balled out.
Oh, I want to wash my hands so bad. Well, this is one you want to
Yeah. Yo, Nick. I need you to hit that. Pause.
So let me hold this for you. There's a
Look,
foot
look how
pedal.
she's
There's a
struggling.
foot pedal.
You're struggling over here.
Is it empty now?
Yo, Nick. You gotta hit that.
Hell no.
Yeah, I got you on camera, cuz.
That's exactly why I'm not hitting it. You're going to put all the spotlight on me.
I'll do it. You gonna record me?
All right, man. I got you. I'm definitely recording.
We outside, baby. We outside. Beautiful day. Kid from Brooklyn.
Funnel cake, we have hot dogs.
I don't want funnel cake. I just want a fresh one.
Yeah. Yo, hold this down. POP.
Oh, you stole it.
Stole me. You robbed me.
No, go for it. Go for it.
It's alright. It's alright. Go ahead. Shoot your shot. Oh, you did it.
Is it recording? What's good?
Kid from Brooklyn. And you about to do this. This is how we do it in the hood, you heard?
All right. Ah, you weak. Ah, there we go. There.
Mess around, baby. Don't mess around, baby. Don't mess around, baby. You try. Let's go.
Nah, I'm
Let's
good.
go, Nick. Come on, son. I got you. I got you, bro. Try it out.
I'll do it one time.
Let's go.
One time.
Let's go.
I'm so weak.
My boy Nick. Let's get it. Oh, one shot killer.
What it done?
One and done. Let's
I
go.
win.
Yo, boss. Let's go, Karina. Try it out. You next on The Price is Right.
How do I do it?
You just gotta hit. Make sure you don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, please don't.
Wait, do you use your left hand?
You can use any hand. Just hit it as hard as you can.
I have my left hand higher.
Okay.
Ah, wah, wah, wah. Try again. Try again. Try again. Hit it hard. Harder than that. Drop the hammer. Harder than that. You only hit 12? Sheesh. Sheesh. Hit it hard. Oh my God, love it. Wah, wah. Oh.
And I just washed my hands.
Get it, boss. Get it, boss. Get it, boss. Let's go, Weiss. Let's go. Get it. One shot. Oh, let's go. One-hander. He's one and done. One and done. Boss, you next, boss. Let's go, boss. Let's go, boss. No, listen. No pressure. But you on camera, all right? Oh, yeah, he got it. Oh, yeah, he got it. Oh, yeah. He got it. Breaking it there. Breaking it there. And my man almost broke it.
Huh?
You want lemonade?
Yeah, I'll get one.
Yeah, he's recording. This guy's recording the menu.
So we eating out here.
Alright, bro.
Timmy Town. Do we gotta pay to get in?
No.
Oh, they out.
Look at the little chicken.
What's up, boss? How you doing? The llama.
It's an alpaca.
Alpaca.
think Dad has any more money. Well, let's go say hi to them.
That's the alpaca. I don't think you're supposed to.
No, look, you can use a spoon.
That's for your hand.
Hey, alpaca, alpaca. Hey, Billy.
He's like llama. I'm like, it's an alpaca.
It looked like a llama.
Oh, there's
Right here.
there to feed them.
You gotta pay though.
Oh, got it.
Hey, chicky, chicky, chicky. Oh, one got loose. Hey, chicken.
Get out.
Hey, chicken. Go to your home.
Oh my God, Miss Beaky.
Go to your home. You breaking out of jail, cuz. Go in your home. Yo, alpaca. Skirt, skirt.
He heard me. He's like, let me get back in there.
What do you want to see? The chickens? There's some ducks over there.
You broke out of jail, bro?
Let's see if we can catch him.
Yo, Jordan. Tom Brady. Kobe. Tom Brady.
What?
Tom Brady.
Oh, I get
Jordan.
it now.
Kobe.
Hey, don't tell that guy to shut up.
They're like, all right, who is this fool?
Who's man?
Yo, Deion Sanders.
They're like, what is
Yo, Tom Brady. What's up, baby? Jordan. I see you over there in the back. Nah.
Oh my God.
Alright.
All right, Steven.
The one in the back right kind of does look like
Let's go. We outside, baby. Oh shit. This shit is nervous. This shit is shaky. We outside. We outside. Oh, it's lit. It's lit. Oh. Yo, this is nervous. I getting nervous as shit. I'm scared of heights. What's up, man? We outside.
Hold on, wait. All right, you ready?
Let's go, guys.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, she ow. We outside. This is scary. Dude,
I'm not scared.
you brave, man.
I'm not
You
scared.
you brave.
I'm
You brave. I'm scared, man.
Excuse me. You gotta wait. There's a cheap one.
Oh, you.
You sit down first.
Corinne, how you feel?
She'll sit down.
I'm a little nervous.
A little
Don't
nervous?
be tight.
You be alright. How you doing? Anybody got hurt from this? Okay, good. Yeah, I just want to disclaimer. I gotta make sure. You know what I'm saying? We outside. Oh, that bouncy house look lit. Oh, we gotta do the court maze. Scared? Oh, yeah, the cemetery. You sure that look like the people that died from this ride right there? I don't know.
Humpty Dumpty.
Now it's my turn. Now it's your turn. I want to go to the Okay.
Oh, what is your favorite color?
Ready.
Alright, go ahead and put your feet in the little pocket.
All right, I guess I'm yellow, sunshine.
Same thing, put your feet into the pocket.
Feet in pocket, let's go.
Ah! It worked.
Bring yourself next to Kim. Thank you.
Put your feet in the pocket, now
Oh, what?
feet off the green tarp, you can go.
All right. Ready?
Wait.
You ready?
No.
After this, we're going
Alright, ready?
Ready?
Set.
We outside! Oh! We outside! Oh, let's go! That was lit. That was lit.
Oh my god.
No, we gotta get Nick to do that. Let's go, Nick. That was lit. Nick's about to go down the slide.
Thank you.
Yo, boss, tell him how many people died. It's not even no joke.
So far,
Yeah.
this season that started, one.
One, that's it, bro. So you might be the second now. I'm fucking with you. That's a joke. I'm joking, guys. Guys, he's joking, by the way. Have a sense of humor. All right. Let's go, babe. You ready?
No, you have the biggest one.
Let's go. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
I'm not scared of heights.
Dun dun dun
There's a word I'm looking
dun
for.
dun dun dun.
Steve is completely trolling you.
Yeah, I know. He thinks I'm scared.
Dun 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 dun. Nick.
You tried to troll me last time with the pole, the thing when you hit. And
Oh.
the first time, he's like, oh.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Yo, I had to bring him up. I gotta tell him how crazy it is. It's crazy.
You put your feet in, right?
Yeah.
So sit
Dun
down.
dun
Right?
dun 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 dun.
See, I told you.
Dun dun.
Hold on, I gotta put this down first.
Okay.
Yo, don't be rushing the gun, bro.
Go ahead, put your feet in the couch.
There you go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in the middle of this time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Feet in the couch.
Wait till we all go. Wait till we all go.
Oh, you're what? No, you just need me in the face. Yeah, you. I'm just trying to make.
Because he's.
I feel like I'm not sitting down on it correctly.
Alright, hold on. Let's go. Okay, hold on.
I'm sitting on it correctly.
Alright, ready?
What?
Set, go.
Ah, we outside! It's lit! It's lit!
I heard the butts hit the
Yeah, that last